Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Deborah, the ordinary gal. Hello if you are new. Interested in unboxings, hauls, subscriptions, all different kind of beauty things, go ahead and subscribe down below. I would really much appreciate that. Don't forget to comment also and like this video if you do like subscription unboxings, because as you can tell by the title, that is what I'll be doing today. So go ahead and stick around and let's get started. Okay, here is my Ipsy bag, if you guys don't know, which I am pretty sure you do know. This is $10 a month. I know they have like a Boxy Plus, Ipsy Plus, not Boxy, an Ipsy Plus now, where I think it's $25, and you get like a larger amount of items. This one is just simply $10. I just like to see what's out there, what's different, to try new little cute things. I don't think it's too much. I think for the price, it is actually not too bad of a deal. There's something else in there. Now I remember, like they'll send you an email and ask you now what you want in your bag specifically for yourself, but I like to be surprised. I like to know what's out there. If I just am able to pick myself, then I'll probably pick the old boring same shit I can always get that's ready available for me. I want stuff that I've never seen, that I've never thought to buy, that I don't buy, you know, stuff like that. So I got an Ofra highlighter. This is in Rodeo Drive. Super pretty. I specifically picked this out. I've heard a lot of good things about this brand and their highlighters, and I have never actually tried them, swatched them, or anything. So I've always been curious about this. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna do a little go around. Wow, I was not expecting that. So I'm able to like use that little swatch around my whole entire hand, and look at how glowy that looks. It doesn't even really put any color on my skin, so that's just perfect for me. I love this. This is so worth $10 already. I don't know how much these are. Maybe it'll tell us in the bag, but this is definitely worth the $10 I paid for this bag. Adorable that is. That is so cute. I absolutely love their bags, and like I said, for the price, it's not bad. You get a makeup bag that is so adorable, and you get to try out a bunch of good shit. Plus, I like to reuse these too. Like, you can totally just rip this off, stuff some stuff in there to somebody, and drop it off at USPS. So I like that too. I include that with the $10. So it has this cute little ribbon that says Ipsy right here, and there is inside the bag. Bing, bang, boom. Not gonna look in the bag, but I am getting out their card, which says, now in season spring beauty, fresh spring beauty. So I won't look inside there. Take out the first thing that I see. Tarte, this from Tarte, Base Tape Hydrating Primer. I just got this because not too long ago at Ulta, if you spent so much on Tarte, you got a free base tape. So haven't tried it yet, but I already have this. But I mean, you know, if they weren't having that deal, then I wouldn't have it, and I would have been able to enjoy it. So that's nice. Let's see. Oh, yay. Okay, super cool. We get a little brush. It just comes exactly like this. So there's no pouch or anything like that. It looks like it has gray hair. Yeah, it's gray hair, which is nice. It kind of matches me. And it is from BDB, Billion Dollar Brushes. I thought they had a Billion Dollar Brows. I wonder if this is the same company. I'm not sure. But brush, ooh, that's super nice. Super perfect for this highlighter too. Super fitting. Let's see. Kind of put too much on. I already have highlighter on, but oh wow, that's a nice, really soft, bristled brush. It's not pokey at all. There's no hairs coming up. It's not like the most high quality brush, I don't think, but it's cute. Next thing is from the Balm Jour Creamy Lip Stain. Last time, I believe I got a eyeshadow with them. I think that was in January, February's box. So I have heard of this brand and finally got to use one of their products. I didn't really care for the color of eyeshadow, so I just gave it away. But the formula and everything was nice. So this is the Stain and Shine color. It says Salud. Let's try it out. Ooh, that's pretty. That's pretty. Ooh, this is right up my alley. That's super cute. I really like this. Glad I got that. And if it works as good as a stain, I'll let you know while I'm editing. So I don't know what this is. Let's see. Got it for the Ofra highlighter, which I thought was really neat. So there was more stuff I could have picked. Like I said, like you can really customize it now, but I want to be more surprised. So that is everything in the bag. I hope you guys liked my unbagging of this and my little swatches here. So don't forget to like this video if you do like unboxings and haul and all that kind of stuff. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos. I will be doing the Allure box next, I believe it is. So stay tuned. I will see you guys later. Bye.